Feeling overwhelmed by all the Gold IRA companies out there? You're not alone. With so many offers and every company claiming to be the best, it's easy to get stuck in research mode and never feel 100% confident about your decision. Here's how to cut through the noise and quickly spot the companies you can trust. First, avoid any gimmicks, especially those free silver promotions. Many of them come with strings attached, like high minimums or inflated pricing. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Second, check for a clear and written buyback guarantee. Trustworthy companies will be transparent about how and when they will buy back your metals without hidden fees or conditions. And third, look at the quality of ongoing support. A good company won't just take your money and disappear. You want a team that provides guidance not just during the sale, but for years to come. The free company comparison checklist walks you through all of these trust factors, including what questions to ask and what red flags to watch for. I'll link it down below. You can download it in seconds and use it to compare any Gold IRA company with confidence. This is your retirement we are talking about. You deserve to make this decision without second guessing or sales pressure. Click the link in the description to get the comparison checklist and choose your Gold IRA company with clarity and peace of mind.